is a trip to Rigi. It's an all-inclusive trip under the Swiss Travel Pass. Is it worth it? Well, let's show you a montage. We got off by bus at this beautiful lakeside town of Vegas. You can also come here by a train or a boat route, but we came here, walked to the cable car station. This is the cable car from Vegas to Rigi Kaltbahn. It's not very crowded, runs every 20 minutes, and one of the beautiful ways to get up there. Where are we going, Deba?
Hello, we're in the cable car. We're going to Rigi.
This cable car ride lasts about 10 minutes and the frequency is every 20 minutes. Once you're at the cable car station, you just need to scan your travel pass at the desk and they will issue you a ticket which will help you go up and then come down. What we are seeing below is the set of lakes from the Lucerne region. The lakes itself are so huge that they form an entire region, and there are many little beautiful towns alongside the lakes that you can also visit while you are visiting this area. As budget travelers, we were always looking for experiences included within the travel passes we took, and this is one of the many scenic routes we enjoyed, and we were equally excited to be in a cable car, and the day was so clear and the fall colors were so amazing that we had an absolutely memorable experience. When one thinks of Switzerland, a white snowy picture emerges, but just look how beautiful it is in the fall season. The colors of the trees, the turquoise lakes, they're just breathtaking, and the cable car ride does full justice to give you amazing bird's eye view of this lake district. So if you're visiting in the winters, you see a lot of snow, which is very pretty. But though the fall season is an off-peak, you are not going to miss out on the views. Rather, I think you see a lot of beauty whenever you visit Switzerland, because every scene is just picture perfect. The Rigi Kaltbahn, there is this beautiful hilltop resort where you can spend some time looking at these gorgeous views, maybe have a picnic, and then, if time permits, go up to the mountain top of Rigi, or you can choose to go down the other side of the valley to this town called Wixnau. Our ride for the return journey was this cogwheel train. It had a waiting time of about 35 to 40 minutes, And the ride to Wits now is another 30 minutes, and every minute is filled with amazing views like this. So that's our scenic trip to Rigi, but there is more to come from the day, so stay tuned for our trip to Stoos. Like and subscribe to our channel Little Travels to follow our Europe trip.